Sometimes, the most dangerous wars never make the news, and sometimes, the loudest explosions are heard only by those who are never allowed to speak. This isn't a story you'll find in textbooks or headlines. This is the silence before the blast. 1. The border between Pakistan and Iran. A military communication tower on the Pakistani side suddenly goes dark. The official report? Technical failure. But what really happened was the interception of something unexpected. Not a missile, not a drone, a signal, a whisper buried deep in encrypted code. Decoded, it simply said, "It's already inside." 1 week later, Dr. Ahsan Raza, a nuclear physicist, vanishes on his way to Islamabad airport. No CCTV, no phone signal, no footprints, just a half-burnt notebook in his hotel room. One scribbled line, "No one is watching, because they're all watching the wrong thing." Within 72 hours, 5 Iranian informants are arrested in Balochistan. Iran claims coincidence. Pakistan stays silent. During a routine military drill, a surveillance drone returns, but its camera feed is wiped clean. Engineers recover one audio file hidden deep, a single calm voice, Iranian accent. Tell them the lens sees in both directions. Operation Zamin-e-Khamosh is launched, but the files marked non-existent. Rumors swirl. A foreign superpower far from the region is destabilizing both countries using false flags, misinformation, invisible sabotage. 6 months later, a journalist receives a leaked PDF titled ZK-23. Before he can open it, his laptop explodes. No trace. But one USB drive survives. Inside, a single folder labeled The Hidden Lens. Sometimes, the truth hides where everyone is too afraid to look. And sometimes, the only way to see is through the hidden lens.